Here we see Fred Stevens cleaning the pH meter before using it to calibrate. These are the initial steps of calibrating using the LabQuest. First, you hit calibration, then you enter the known value for your pH of the buffer that you are using as a standard. You do this once, then you accept the value. Next, you clean the pH meter, and then you repeat the process for a different buffer with a different known pH value. After hitting keep, don't forget to press OK in order to keep your new calibration. Here you can see Fred Stevens cleaning the pH meter before using it to take the pH of the buffer. Here you can see Fred Stevens taking the pH of the buffer. After that, Fred Stevens cleaned the pH meter one more time before taking the pH of our unknown solution. Here's Fred Stevens cleaning the pH meter one last time. Proper cleaning of the pH meter ends with replacing it into the storage solution. This lab uses both strong acids and weak acids. The difference between a strong acid and a weak acid is that all molecules of a strong acid dissociate in water, while a weak one does not. This effect can be minimized by adding a strong base to a solution with a weak acid to cause all the molecules to dissociate. In a strong acid, this leads to equilibrium, which favors the products, and in a weak acid, this leads to equilibrium, which favors the reactants. In this portion of the video, you can see Emily Butler calibrating the pH meter. She is entering known values for chosen buffers, which you already know. Here you can see Emily Butler cleaning the pH meter before taking another pH. Once again, don't forget to press OK after pressing keep in order to keep your calibrated pH. Here you can see Emily taking the pH of our buffer. Here you can see Emily cleaning the pH meter before taking the pH of our unknown solution. Here is Emily taking the pH of the unknown solution. Here is Emily cleaning the pH meter once more and placing it in its proper storage solution. A buffer is a solution whose pH slightly changes when an acid or base is added to it. This is accomplished by adding a weak acid and its conjugate base to the same solution. They do not react with each other and only react when a strong base or acid is added, ergo keeping the pH the same. Here you can see Parth calibrating. Here he is entering the known pH value for a buffer that we are using. There is Parth taking the pH. Here is Parth cleaning before taking the pH of our other known buffer.
One last time, don't forget to press OK after calibrating the meter. Here you see Parth Patel cleaning the pH meter after calibrating. After cleaning the meter, he takes the pH of the buffer solution. Once again, he cleans it before taking the pH of the unknown solution. Here we see Parth Patel taking the pH of the unknown solution. And finally, we see Parth Patel cleaning the pH meter before placing it back in its storage container.